Hello mga Katibu fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our experience at Oberg Discovery Bay located at Hong Kong. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end guys! This hotel is located at Lantau Island, Hong Kong. Just a few minutes away lang guys sa mga famous attraction dito sa Hong Kong like Disneyland, Ngong-Ping 360 and also malapit din to sa airport guys. 2 nights pala kami mag-stay dito sa hotel na to guys. Ang reason namin is yung proximity niya sa Disneyland and also sa airport. Around 9 PM na kami nakapag-check-in, kakagaling lang din kasi namin dito sa Disneyland. Buti na lang malapit siya sa Disneyland guys, 100 HKD lang binayad ko sa taxi papunta dito.
Hello guys! We are at Oberg and this is located in Hong Kong. Come inside! So guys, here is the cabinet. So there is an umbrella you can use while you're here. Also there is no free sleepers. You can just get them at the vending machine downstairs for some coins. And also guys, there's a few hangers and an extra pillow and I think this is a robe. So guys, this is where you can put your suitcase or you could put your slippers there. And also guys, this is the ref. You can put your stuff in it that you need to make it cold. And guys, we have a water purifier. You can put your water here. Okay guys, so there are 2 beds, and like if you want to do your makeup or you have to work or do your computer, you can sit here and do stuff. And also if you need to put your stuff, you can put it here. And also guys, there is a sofa where you can sleep or you can sit down and to relax. And so guys, this is our view. It's not really good right now because it rained, but once all the rain cleared up, it's very beautiful. And guys, and there's another view, the other view. And guys, don't forget, look at these lights. They're so pretty. They're sparkly. Oh, it's either watery or sparkly. It's very beautiful. And also, guys, in the bathroom, you can watch the view while you're showering. And so, guys, let's go to the bathroom. So, guys, here's the poop default toilet. You can poop here. Sadly, there's no bidet, so I can't really wash my poop that well. And guys, there's even a bathtub. Oh my, that's gonna go in there. Oh, and guys, you can let your vlog once what you think about. And these things, some tissues, a hair dryer, and 2 more towels here. You can call somebody while you're on the toilet. And you say, hello, can you wash my wet? Can you wash my poop? Okay, so guys, that's the end of the room tour. Bye!
Guys, what I like most about this room is yung view niya. Sobrang ganda ng view namin dito guys. Overlooking namin yung South China Sea, yung pool, and also yung mga mountain dito sa Lantau Island. Sobrang laki din ng room namin guys, around 40 SQM ata to, and also meron din kaming bathtub. Also located just outside of our hotel is yung mga restaurant and also itong grocery guys, kung saan pwede ka mamili ng mga food nyo. Pagkabalik ko sa room namin guys, yan, kitang-kita ko yung 2 kid ko, tinry na kagad nila yung bathtub. Ako naman guys, sinare-ready ko na yung food nila. Guys, pagkagising ko napawaw ako. Sobrang ganda pala talaga ng view dito sa aming hotel. Sobrang sarap mag-coffee dito guys while enjoying the view. Habang tulog pa yung family, explore ko muna yung hotel. Located at their lobby is itong bendo machine nila guys kung saan pwede kayo bumili ng slippers, sabi nga ng daughter ko. Meron din sila ditong spa guys kung saan pwede kayo magpamassage pag napagod kayo dun sa Disneyland. Daphne, are you excited?
Yeah,
Where are we going?
Disneyland.
Ayan, ready na yung family ko para sa aming second day sa Disneyland. While waiting for a bus trip going to Hong Kong Disneyland, yan, naglaro muna yung family ko ng claw machine. Guys, nakagastos ako ng 100 HKD dito pero hindi kami nanalo. Kahit pala dito sa Hong Kong guys, madaya pa rin tong larong ito. Guys, ang maganda dito sa hotel na to, meron pa silang free shuttle going to Disneyland. And also yung pabalik nyo, free lang din. Check nyo lang yung schedule na pinost ko guys para makatipid din kayo. Guys, sobrang modern yung bus ng Oberg. Mas maganda pa nga ito kaysa dun sa Disneyland bus. Tip pala, make sure na on time kayo pumunta sa bus stop nila kasi hindi talaga nila kayo aantayin guys. Check kayo yung time, on time sila umalis. Guys, yung travel time pala from the hotel going to Disneyland is just 20 minutes. So I suggest kung limited lang yung time nyo dito sa Hong Kong, dito kayo sa hotel na to mag-book para mas ma-maximize nyo yung time nyo. On our last day, while natutulog pa yung mga anak ko, in-explore ko muna yung place. Meron daw kasi silang beach dito guys, kaya yan, pupuntahan natin para mapakita ko din sa inyo. Guys, hindi na ako nakalapit, medyo natakot na din kasi ako, ang daming puno kasi papunta dun sa beach. Hindi mo kasi masabi, baka may ahas dun, baka matuklaw pa ako, pauwi na kami. Pagbalik ko ng room, ayan, gising na yung family ko. Sobrang happy nila kasi meron kaming breakfast buffet today. Sabi ko dun sa dalawang kids ko, agahan natin kasi marami pa tayong activity for today. Explore kasi namin guys yung buong hotel. Later, makikita nyo guys, sobrang masusurprise kayo. Ayan, ready na yung family ko. Sobrang excited na talaga ako guys. Ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko sa mga staycation namin, yung buffet breakfast. Guys, yung mga kid nyo na 3 feet and below free lang dito kumain. Pero syempre, dahil kasama rin natin si Ate Daphne, binayad ko na lang. Kalahati lang naman yung bayad guys, around 100 HKD lang. Guys, sobra talaga ako natuwa dito sa breakfast buffet nila. Isa to sa mga nasarapan akong breakfast buffet na kinainan namin. Kaya I suggest kung pupunta din kayo ng Hong Kong, i-avail nyo tong kanilang breakfast buffet. Guys, located din pala dito sa restaurant ito is yung kanilang viewing deck. Kitang-kita nyo dito guys yung South China Sea. So sobrang lawak ng place guys, sigurado mag-enjoy yung mga chikiting nyo. Si Baby Danny ko nga takbo ng takbo dito. After eating breakfast, ayan, ready na yung chikiting ko. Magsiswim na kami. Pero syempre, explore muna natin tong gym para mapakita din namin sa inyo. Guys, napawaw talaga ako dito sa swimming pool area nila. Sobrang ganda ng view and also ang dami ring spot na pwede niyong pamilian. Kitang-kita ko talaga yung saya sa mga kids ko. And syempre ako din, alam niyo naman kasi tayo, basta happy sila, mas happy tayo. Guys, sobrang lupit na swimming pool nila dito. Mas maganda pa to kaysa dun sa Disneyland na pinuntahan namin na pool. To tell you honestly guys, ito na at ang pinakamagandang hotel dito sa Hong Kong. Guys, sobrang nagtagal kami sa pool na to. Around 3 hours kami nag-swim ng mga anak ko. Siyempre, nag-enjoy sila. And also ako din talaga guys, nag-enjoy ako dito. Sobrang relaxing dito guys. Ito yata yung mga pinaka-relaxing na swimming pool area na napuntahan ko. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung mountain view niya and also yung sea view. Guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin kasi kami lang yung tao sa pool area nila. Hindi pa kasi talaga sikat tong hotel na to. Hindi ko ba alam bakit hindi ito pinupuntahan. Pero talaga guys, highly recommended ko to. Guys, tip pala, meron pa silang play area dito pero hindi pa namin napupuntahan. Ang gagawin lang namin para ma-maximize yung time, pagka-checkout ko, didiretso kami dun sa play area. Guys, be ready kayo with your money dito. Marami kasing claw machine inside the play area nila, and also meron din mga activities for kids dito. Later, lalaruin lahat yan ng mga anak ko. Pero itong mga anak ko talaga guys, mahilig to sa claw machine. Pero talaga guys, hindi kami nanalo dito guys. Naka 150 Hong Kong dollars ako pero wala kami nakuha ni isa. Pero okay lang, basta happy sila, happy na din ako. So guys, our verdict. I'm going to rate this hotel a 5 out of 5 stars. This is the best hotel in Hong Kong guys. Value for money wise guys, kahit doblehin nila yung presyo, sobrang sulit na sulit pa rin dito as compared to other hotels dito sa Hong Kong. First is yung room nila. They have a very big room guys, around 40 SQM ata yung nakuha namin. I like yung view namin guys, overlooking namin yung South China Sea, yung mountain area nila, and also yung swimming pool. Sobrang na-enjoy ng mga kids ko yung bath type inside our room, and also yung water purifier. Sure na makakatipid kayo. Next is yung food. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast buffet nila guys. Sobrang sulit yung binayad namin for our daughter Daphne. Also, meron din mga restaurant sa labas ng hotel nyo. Kaya sure na makakapamili kayo pag nagutom kayo. Lastly, yung amenities. Ito yung reason guys why I highly recommend this hotel. Sobrang ganda talaga ng pool area nila. Sobrang lawak ng place. Ang daming area for your kids na pwede na paglaruan at pagswimingan. And also, sobrang nakaka-relax talaga yung view. Sobrang na-amaze ako guys. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-relaxing na swimming pool area na napuntahan ko. Meron din silang play area for kids na sure na mag-i-enjoy yung mga chikiting nyo. Pero guys, be ready lang kasi syempre maraming claw machine doon. Yung mga mahilig mag-exercise naman guys, sigurado ma-enjoy nyo yung kanilang gym area. Overlooking kasi yung dagat guys, kaya sobra kayong marerelax habang nagpapakapagod. Also, just outside the hotel guys, located yung grocery kung saan pwede kayo mamili ng mga pampasalubong nyo. Kami guys, after namin mag-checkout, namili rin kami dito. May pampapasalubong namin sa aming mga family and loved ones. So guys, if you're planning to go to Hong Kong, better check out Oborg Discovery Bay. Highly recommended ko to guys. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!